Beach Coaching and Consulting. I want to talk to you today with another Manager's Minute. This one is about the way the world has changed recently. I don't know if you've noticed, but if you look around this planet, you're going to notice that the game has changed. And it's changed pretty dramatically. There's a wonderful acronym that is being used. It's VUCA, V-U-C-A. And let me tell you what it stands for. The V is for volatility. The world's become a much more volatile place. One day we're up, one day we're down. One day we're moving forward, the next day we're moving backwards. The second letter in the acronym is U for uncertainty. Things are not quite as predictable as they once were. A lot of that has to do with the pandemic. A lot of that has to do with the fact that we shut the economy down for most intents and purposes, and then we turned it back on and tried to heat it up again. The third letter in the acronym is C, complexity. The world's become a very complex place, and you need to learn how to deal with all that complexity. The final letter, A, stands for ambiguity. I've learned by working with so many great leaders around the United States that their ability to handle ambiguity when things aren't really clear and we're not really sure what we're dealing with, that's a differentiator for managers and leaders. You, my friends, as managers, need to start anticipating that you live and work in a world dominated by VUCA, and you got to get on the right side of this and learn how to deal with it. More on that next time.